Holy crap. These birds have been captured in my freaking... Oh shit.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh man, these guys are all ruffled up. They just can't seem to figure out to just go back the way they came. This guy's still freaking out. Yeah. It's okay. Man, they just keep freaking out. And I can't open the window because it's got a screen. I guess I'll just have to wait till he flips out. I don't want him pecking me. It's going to make me mad. I don't want to kill him. Alright, calm down. Calm down. I think it's a grackle or some... Oh, he's tired. Usually you have to wait till they're tired, till they stop, and then you can pick them up and then get rid of them. Alright, come on. Out you go. Out you go. There you go. Shit. Out. 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 There they go.